Good morning. So it is Monday and I thought I would film a what I wore in a week video for you guys. So I'm starting off with kind of crappy hair. Like, this is curled and has gone gross. The weather has been so crazy. It's been so hot. It's been like 120 every day. So I've washed my hair a couple of times and now it's just like straw. So I'm probably gonna pick up a mask or something today because it's kind of gross. So I thought I would show you what I am wearing. So I've been working this morning and I've got a few more bits to do, but I'm about to run out the door and I'm probably gonna leave my desk as it is, just in a bit of a mess. So I thought I'd quickly show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this hat, like I say, just to seriously cover up this fish nest. I might even do a little bun in my hair because it's just not looking good. I don't really know what to do. I didn't want to tie it up. I kind of wanted to wear a hat and cover my face. And I thought it looked cute with this outfit. So I'm wearing this shirt. You'll have seen this in a recent haul. This is from Miss Selfridge. I'm obsessed with it. It's like super lightweight and comfy. And for jewelry, I'm just wearing this. Actually, I'm just going to turn you around like this. Jewelry, I'm wearing this necklace. It is from Icing, and then these little earrings from Claire's Accessories, and then this little like faux, what are they called, faux faux earring, something. Anyway, I've been liking wearing this kind of like in the middle of my ear. I have a few different ones, and then I've got this little ring on. This is also from Claire's. It's from like a set. And then for the rest of my outfit, I'm wearing these denim shorts. These are from Madewell, and I basically got them in a size bigger than I would usually wear, which is a great tip, by the way, if you want to wear kind of denim shorts, but you don't want them to be like fitted, but they still have kind of like a fitted look to them, if you know what I mean. So I can kind of eat, and I feel really like squishy and comfy, and they're actually super long. I've rolled them up today because I just think they look a bit better with this outfit, but you can also wear them, what a funny look, you can also wear them down like that, or you can do like a one turn up. So these are great. I really like these denim shorts. I'll turn those up in a sec. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing these sandals. These are also from Miss Selfridge. You'll remember these from a haul. How best can I show you these? Maybe like this. Yeah, excuse all my wires and cords down there, but these are them. I probably should have redone my pedicure, but hey ho, this is what we're going with. And I just think this is like a good, I'm going to a meeting, so I think this is a good meeting outfit. Remember, I live in LA and everyone's quite relaxed here. You can kind of wear what you want to meetings. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I think it's quite a cute casual look. I also have a lunch to go to, so yeah, I think this will be a good every day. And then for my bag, I'm just gonna take this. It's kind of like a faux Chloe-esque bag. I got this one from Windsor, and it's a backpack, and I think just kind of looks cute with this just thrown over the shoulder. I don't need to take my laptop with me today, so yeah, this is Monday's outfit. Let me know what you guys think. All the links to everything will be in the descriptions down below. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday's outfit. Good morning, welcome to Tuesday, second day of my what I wore in a week. Hope you guys liked my yesterday outfit. I just got dressed. It is another boiling hot day here in Los Angeles, and I'm wearing very few clothes, but I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I am wearing this bodysuit. Again, please excuse my desk, always at it. I'm wearing this bodysuit from American Apparel. I just really like the shape of the neck. I got this a really long time ago, way before like this shape was in, but I really like it. It's just really like slouchy and comfy, and I'm just working from home and running some errands today, so super easy. And on my bottom half, I'm wearing these old shorts from New Look. They're like an acid wash, and I never wear them, and I don't know why. Well, I do know why. They're too big for me, if I'm being honest. Like, they're like a full size too big, so I've belted them, and now they work. You can see, but I quite like how loose they are. I think it works really well. But anyway, so they're from New Look. They're really old. I'll be sure to try and link something really similar down below. Then I got this belt on. This is from Toby.com. I'm really into this like Western belt. I've been wearing it a lot. You've probably seen this on my Instagram a bunch. Jewelry, I'm wearing exactly the same as yesterday. I just slept in my jewelry and didn't take it off, so same. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my kind of low Vans. I have another pair of Vans that I love, but they hurt like hell. And these ones are just comfy and easy. And yeah, this is a super like, I'm not really doing anything kind of outfit, but I have to get dressed today. So yeah, I'm wearing this, and I'm probably gonna throw on a cardigan or something if I go out, because in LA in general, all the stores are like ice cold, and outside is hotter than the sun. So yeah, it can get a little bit chilly, but this is my outfit. This is the base of it. I'm not gonna be going out for a while, so yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and let me know what you think. Like I say, just simple, just easy summer look. It is Wednesday today, and I was just actually about to get changed into my Pilates clothes to go to a class, so I thought I would show you what I am wearing today, because otherwise I would have forgotten. So as always, please excuse all my desk mess, but I've been working from home today, so I am wearing the same little earrings as I've had on yesterday. I put this little like scarf in my hair. My hair was gross. I need to wash it. I will wash it tonight, but it was looking kind of gross, so I thought I'm gonna put a little bow in it and pretend this is a style rather than just being a mess. And then I'm wearing really simple outfit. I'm wearing this tank, it's like a racerback tank dress from Forever 21. I've just been at home all day, so I wanted to be comfy and kind of practical, and that was working for me. And then on my feet, this is my favorite part of my outfit, and I haven't had these on all day because I've been at my desk, but these are rose gold Reebok classics, and you guys, can we just appreciate these for a hot second? They're so cute. I'm trying to wonder whether I tie them one tire higher, but yeah, they're so cute. I've barely worn them. I wore them for the first time last week, and so yeah, wearing them today. But this is the whole outfit altogether. Really simple. It's really hot outside, so yeah, all I've really done is run out to drop Enzo off, and I'm going to Pilates, and then I'm going to pick him up. So I'm going to get changed into my workout clothes. But yeah, this is Wednesday's outfit. I keep forgetting the days. But yeah, hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Really boring. And since I just changed into my workout clothes, I thought I would show you my workout outfit today. I'm wearing this bra top from Lululemon. It has these really nice crisscross, turn all the way around, crisscross back detail, which I really like. And then these leggings, they're nice and high-waisted and really like firming, if that makes sense. I like it when I wear these tight because they have these like pockets to put your phone, so yep. And then they have this nice sheer panel at the back. And then on my feet I have lovely toe socks because you have to wear them to do the class, and I just wear some sliders. Well, and I even take this out. But yeah, this is my workout outfit. I like Lululemons a lot. They fit really nice, and I feel like I can move around a lot in them. You're doing lots of like these types of moves. Hi guys, happy Thursday. So you might have just seen, oh well, actually you won't have just seen this because this will be going on the following week, but I actually wore this outfit with my hair down, but I just whacked it in a bun because I don't know, I just got all hot and sweaty when I was walking, so I was like, Anyway, I did have my hair down. It looked very nice, but I can't be bothered right now. So I just got home, whacked it in a bun. I've just been to a meeting this morning, so I thought I would do my outfit of the day. I was gonna do it before I left, but then I was in a super big rush. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit. This is from Miss Selfridge. I feel like everything I've talked about in this whole, what I wore this week, is from the same Miss Selfridge haul, but I've just been loving all the pieces they sent me, so yeah, I'm living in them. So this is a jumpsuit. You can see it's like orange with like really pretty flowers, has this like nice tie waist. It's very comfortable for the weather. As I keep mentioning, it's boiling hot here, so things like this in this like really nice lightweight, I think this is like a rayon mixed fabric. It's super lightweight, really breathable, airy, comfy, really into it. Then for jewelry, same guys, I've got this little cuff and my hoops on from Claire's. And yeah, it's really sweet. And then on my shoes, I'm wearing these sandals that I have had for a while. They're from, I'm probably gonna say this terribly wrong, but Soludas. I absolutely love them. They're so unbelievably comfortable. I had one of those days today where I like knew the meeting I had this morning wasn't like a really dressy up fancy meeting, and I was like, it's so hot, I'm going to the valley, I need to just be in something cool and comfy, and this is the perfect thing. It makes me look like I made a little bit of effort. I did like a super light makeup today, like tiny bit of base, mascara, bit of bronzer, and I was out the door. I kind of didn't really do a whole lot of anything. I was just in a rush, to be honest, to drop Enzo off. And yeah, so yeah, this is my Thursday, God, I have to remember the day there, outfit of the day. And yeah, it's a cute one. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? So Friday's outfit of the day is kind of like a dressy but not too dressy outfit. I've had meetings this morning, and then it's now like 4 PM and I'm just getting ready. I've been working from home for the last few hours, so I am about to get ready to go to another meeting and then to dinner. So I thought I would show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this dress from Forever 21. I've had it for a while, but I think it's in the sale on their website for like $11. It's really practical and comfortable. It's just tight. It's so hot here. It's like 100 degrees outside, so I've been kind of trying to find things that just not only are comfortable and cool, but just like, I don't know how to explain, but like I feel like I can't wear jeans or like denim shorts in this heat. Sorry if I'm flinging the camera around. I feel like I just can't like wear jeans or denim shorts or anything like that in this heat, because I just feel like claustrophobic in clothes. Like, it's very hard to explain, but anyway, inside it's delightfully air conditioned, so that I can't complain. Not like in London, where I know everyone's having a heat wave and no one has AC and it's just boiling hot. Oh, my little Enzo's come to say hi. Hey Enz. Hi Baba. That is the lint roller that I was using earlier, I've put down. So yeah, rest of my outfit. On my neck, I am wearing this little, can you see that? Little, it's an E. How can I turn the light? Will it focus? Anyway, there's an E. Oh, maybe if I do that. Oh yeah, you can see that. It's an E. And I made this necklace actually on Hollywire a very long time ago now, and I still wear it all the time. I think it's really practical and cute and looks like nice. It's literally just a piece of kind of like faux leather, and it's got a little E on it, and you buy these for like 40 bucks. And then in my ears I have the same hoops. I'll actually link the video down below where I made this, show you how I did it, because there's like some clips on the back that I attached and all that good stuff. Anyway, I have some rings on from Claire's Accessories. I'll link them down below too. And then yeah, the dress. And then on my feet, I can't remember if I've worn these already this week, but if I have, I'm wearing them all the time at the moment. These are some sandals from Miss Selfridge, and I really like them. I think they come in another colour, and I'd be very interested to check out the other colour. I really love my heels, so I always like to have some sort of height, even if it's a little bit in the sandals, and I just think they work well with this dress. I have another pair of sandals I usually wear with this dress from Topshop, but since I got these, I just have been living in them, and they're really practical to have on at my desk because I take them off. Love a little slider vibe. But yeah, this is Friday's outfit of the day. I feel like I've rambled so much in this little clip, so I'm gonna go now and get prepped for my meeting, and I will see you tomorrow for Saturday. Please excuse the mess behind me, but it is Saturday and I am heading to the beach. I'm going to the beach, so I have no makeup on, just my skin. And I've got my SPF 50 on and all that jazz. And then for my outfit, I'm wearing this shirt dress, basically, from Forever 21. It's super comfy. I wore this in, you might have seen this in a haul. I'll be sure to link that. But this dress is one of those things that I was like, oh, I don't know if I should keep. But actually, it's one of the most practical things I own. It's so comfortable. It's not that flattering, but I honestly don't care. It's really comfy and easy. Under here, I will show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this bikini, which maybe I'll show you at the beach. It is just like a tan nudie colour. I got this from Toby, and then the bottoms have this kind of like strappy side. They're really cute. I'll show you when I get to the beach maybe. Or not, maybe I won't. If I haven't, I'll be sure to insert a picture now of on the model. And then for jewellery, I'm wearing this little necklace chain thing that I've been wearing all week from Claire's. This kind of stick thing that I've looped around. It actually hangs long, but I quite like them stacked like that. Same earrings. I have a little these always make my ears so red, that's crazy. a little ear cuff, and then I'm wearing my trainers because we're going out this evening, so I wasn't sure whether I want to wear trainers or heels, and I don't want to then also have sandals, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to bring these, and then my backpack is like filled to the brim with my outfit tonight and my makeup and all that stuff, so I don't want to like, I'm basically going to have to lug it around, so I don't want to have too much. I'm rambling, but yeah, this is my Saturday beach outfit of the day, and yeah, you'll see my next outfit maybe on my phone. If I remember to film it, I will try. But yeah, happy Saturday all. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you maybe tonight, tomorrow. Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm coming to you looking like I'm bald, but my hair's a little bit gross, so I've got a hat on and I'm doing like a low bun situation today. No makeup on, I just have sunscreen everywhere because we're about to go to a pool party, well, kind of like a pool barbecue hang vibe, and I am going to show you what I'm wearing. No, I'm not naked. So I'm wearing this little bandeau top. You'll have seen this in my Miss Selfridge haul, I think, and I just wanted to wear this because I am going to be outside a lot and I don't know whether 100% I want to like get in the pool, so I thought at least if I'm in this then I'm going to get no weird tan lines, if you know what I mean. It's kind of like a bikini. And then on my rest of my body, I'm wearing these shorts from Madewell. I really like these. They're the ones that I wore, I think, on the first day, because they're a bit longer, and because I'm like, I look quite naked on the top, I quite like the idea of these being just that little bit longer. They weren't so like hot panty, if you know what I mean. So I've worn them all the way down, and then I have this belt on. This is from Toby. I'll be sure to link everything down below. Obviously, I mentioned that before. Then I'm wearing these sandals. These are from, I feel like I'm going to butcher this name, but they're Saludas. I absolutely love these. I've had them for at least a year, but they always do some similar ones. They're really gorgeous, really well made sandals, and I just love them. They're so comfortable. For a sandal, I just can't get anything better than these. I was going to update them, but actually they're just still going strong, so I feel like I don't need to. And then I'm going to have my sunglasses on literally the whole day. So I'm going to be wearing these. So the lack of makeup really won't matter. I just want to wear really high SPF, and it's Sunday, so I just don't want to wear any makeup today. And yeah, this is the look. What do you guys think? It's probably a little bit more naked than I would usually go, but like I say, it's the right environment, I feel like, to be a bit naked. Like, can you see my whole thing? I feel like it's the right environment to be a little bit naked, and yeah, it's just comfy and practical for what I'm doing. So this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed what I wore this week. And sorry, I've ended it on a very casual, no makeup day, but you know, I wanted to show you real life outfits, and really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite look from the whole week, and if you want to see more videos like this, also let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.